Hey guys, Dalton here with RV Wholesalers, and thank you for joining me on the Hampton Overview. Again, these campers are created by Crossroads RV. They all have a 3-year structure warranty, so as long as there's no issues from the outside weather or godly influence, or as long as you don't do anything to hurt the structure, it will be covered under warranty. Of course, these campers are all aluminum sidewalls with Asdale on the exterior, so you do have a plus air construction, giving you a little bit more peace of mind when you go to purchase one of these campers. All of them are destination trailers, so you do have the availability to put them on a permanent spot instead of towing them all around the country, although there is a plus towing all around the country because you do get to see a little bit more sights. All of them have the flip up steps, so that way you could put a deck on the outside or personalize your permanent spot a little bit more than you'd like. All of them are 50 amp service, giving you the availability to come with 2 air conditioners that come standard, or a third if you'd like to upgrade it that way. All of them can have a washer and dryer hookup if you'd like, or just leave that permanent big closet the way you'd like it. Anyway, they all have countertops throughout the entire camper that are what's called live edges, giving you a more modern feel. And of course, in your kitchen, you get solid surface countertops all throughout, giving you the availability to not neck that counter, or as well burn that countertop when you go to put your hot pan on top of there. You also get a convection microwave, as well as the 3.73 cubic inch stove, as well as a nice stainless steel refrigerator, giving you lots of ice maker as well as lots of storage space while you're camping. Again, all around awesome park model here. Lots of different upgrades you could do, lots of different options, and of course you can find them here at RV Wholesalers.